I have pink, I have white, I have black, and I ordered the coral. These make great gifts. I cannot get enough of this hairdryer. I'm so obsessed. It's got 2 different settings, high and low. It's got 4 different heat settings. It blow dries your hair faster than most. And it doesn't get real hot, so it prevents damage to your hair. And it leaves your hair silky soft. It's got magnetic attachments, which make it nice and convenient. Let me show you. Very powerful. I always start with my roots to give my hair volume. Finished product, silky, soft, and smooth. I love this, and I'm going to link it.